Hey everyone, so my name's AJ. If you don't know who I am, I'm the founder and CEO of stackFrame. I'm the person who's essentially building all these components, trying to help you guys build web apps in Framer. In this playlist, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create individual videos for each component so that everyone that's watching can understand how to use these components in your Framer website. And more importantly, you can learn how to build in in stackFrame. So I'm in my stackFrame component file. So you guys can get here by logging into stackFrame, creating a project, heading to our project page, and just tap Start Building, and it will take you to this page right here, and which essentially has all the components that stackFrame offers, right? The first component I'm going to go through right now and dissect is the most popular component we have, which is the auth component. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new page, demo, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to drag and drop the auth component in here, okay? So auth component is in here, and from here, it's very simple. All your options to design or mess with this component is going to all be in the auth component framer properties panel over here. So step one, you're always going to need to add your project ID. You might ask, what does this project ID do? The project ID allows you to hook up your Framer website to stackFrame servers so that you can add things like authentication and more complex features to your Framer website. So you'll head on over to stackFrame, you'll go into your stackFrame project here, copy this project ID, come back into come back into our document, and we're just going to paste this right in there. So just like that, we've officially added the ability for your users to sign in to stackFrame, okay? So just like that literally took 2 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, and what I'm going to do is on this right component, I'm just going to switch this to sign up. So what we've been able to do now is give the ability for users to sign in and sign up just by adding the project ID. After this, you're going to want to decide where do you want to send these users after they sign in or sign up. So on the sign in component, you're going to want to update this page right here. And for demo purposes, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. I'm going to put that in there, and then same with the sign up. I'll also put that right. Oh, I put in the wrong one over here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now when we sign in, we're going to stackFrame Components page, and when I sign up, I'm going to stackFrame Components page. So that's all good. The next thing you're going to want to do is you can then mess with the styling options. So we did get requests for the ability to have like a directional option. So there's a horizontal option if you need it, which is cool, but I'd definitely say our most popular is vertical. You can then add some padding, if you want to. So I've added 24 padding. This is mainly for the sign up page, right? Because what you can see here, I'll go to the demo. If you head on over here, I can like hide my profile picture or hide my username. Things that you might not want your users to sign up for or add information to, right? The next thing is the container options. So we have gap here. We can change the color. Here's the border radius. Width, height. This is individual padding on each side. Next, we have placeholder options. So email placeholder, password placeholder, username placeholder, bio placeholder, link placeholder. So this is mainly for, the sign up component, but could also be used for the sign in component. Enter email. Then what we have is text input options. So this is all styling. So if you want to increase the size of the input fields, you can. You can change the background. You can even add a border radius. You can add a border colors, font sizes, all this stuff right in here. Next thing is the text area. So this is mainly for the sign up page, and we're particularly focused on the bio. This is the text area. Username, website link, email, password, these are text input options. So if you want to change those options, you go to this option. If you want to change what the bio looks like, you go to text area options. And last but not least, we have the button options. So there's a bunch of options here: height, width, size, font size, background color, a bunch of options that you can choose from here. And then we have some pretty advanced options on down here, which is enabling hover effects. So you can add an on hover animation to your input, text area, description, links, username, whatever you want. They're set to no to start, but then you can update those hover styles right here. So we have email border, background, email font, a bunch of options here, and these are all working, once you do enable these hover effects here. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to publish this, and I'm actually just going to head on over to here, and we're going to upload an image. I'm just going to use like this bookmark. Sure. AJ Picard, 25. Yeah. This is my bio. I'll just do sign up. So that's going to sign us up and bring us to this page, right? So that's awesome. So that's working. So I'm going to open this page again, and instead I'm going to, let's see, log in here. What was the email? 35. Then I'm going to sign in, and you're going to see that this also works. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have been able to add the ability to sign in and sign up, and I've pretty much walked through how to style these options and how to handle page navigation as well. Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for another tutorial of me breaking down another stackFrame component. And if you're building something in stackFrame, please reach out to us or comment below. We'd love to learn how you're using stackFrame and, more importantly, what you're building with it.